Dominic, the MX-520 has been a massive seller, not just in the UK, but around the world for Matsuura. This is now the 520 with a Piece4 or a 4-pallet system. Tell us why you've introduced this.
Well, why we introduced it? Well, the MX-330, as you know, I campaigned and we got that launched not so long ago, has been an absolute roaring success alongside the MX-520. With the success of the MX-330 PC10, we discussed in R&D that, how could we improve and give our customers more flexibility within our MX-520 scope. So a lot of the machines that we have sold in the UK and around the world, we've integrated a lot of third-party automation, which basically gave us restrictions. So a totally designed system from Matsuura gives a fully integrated factory solution with the maximum payload, 175 kilos per pallet, and the maximum working size, where the third-party automation solutions restrict us on payload and size.
I would say over half of the 520s I've seen have got some level of automation to them, which is why I can see why you've gone down this path. Just when you say payload, what do you mean for our viewers?
The maximum weight of the workpiece that we can put on the pallet that can be transported into the machine.
Okay, so what we're saying here is previously, maybe with a third-party supplier, you might be able to get 200 kilos on the 5-axis table, but you couldn't get that on a pallet, so you couldn't get the best utilisation out of the machine.
Correct. What we found is once we started selling these solutions was that we were restricted to a 30 or a 40 maximum kilogram payload. Well, this machine is a half-metre capacity machine. So what we were finding was that the diameter of the workpiece was relatively small for its true capacity and the maximum weight. So customers were asking for more.
Why 4 pallets on this but 10 on the 330?
Two reasons really. Floor space, we want to keep the machine compact so that it will fit in small subcontract and SME manufacturers, but also, as always, cost. Trying to keep it competitively priced. Again, we offer with our MAM series 6 pallets, 12 pallets, 18 pallets, 24 pallets. So as we've said in many videos that we've done, we have 2 lines, MX and MAM.
So with the 4 pallets here, the idea is for that unmanned run, isn't it? It's going towards what Matsuura talk about, non-cutting times, less operator intervention.
Correct, because as I say, most companies are looking for that overnight run. Most contractors now do have enough work, lengthy cycle times on a machine tool, and if you've got a single table machine, it may run for 2 or 3 hours when you leave, but then it stops. So, if we take that example here, 2 or 3 hours on 4 pallets will get you the night.
And this is the loading area here, isn't it, which we'll see in a minute. We can open the door, you load the parts, so you've still got a good vision of what's happening inside the machine at the same time, haven't you?
Correct. This is a true Matsuura pallet system. So again, you've got obviously your workload station, you've got a scheduling priority. It's not a loader, it's a pallet system. The other thing that we've also done on the MX range, as of EMO, is that we're now expanding the option up to 120 tools on all our MX machines, giving you, again, the customers more capability of storing more tools to get more unmanned running on longer cycle time product.
And people aren't just going to buy this machine, Dom, because of the automation. They're going to buy it because of the MX-520 solution. Why have you been successful with this 520? Why is it now your fastest selling machine?
I think, personally, when we talk around the table, most of us around the world, very compact, good ergonomics, competitively priced. Obviously, it's a Matsuura pedigree machine. It's not diluted in any way to our MAM. It's the MAM on a smaller footprint and a smaller option scale.
People will be always interested in this. How much is this solution?
This machine sort of packaged with 90 tools, 4 pallets, all your software, your swarf management, high pressure coolant. We're going to be circa around the £300,000 sterling.
And people will be able to come and see this, engineers will be able to come and see this machine in Colville very soon, I assume.
We're ordering some this week, and we're going to obviously push it as soon as we can. We're going to try and get it to our exhibitions and our showroom, but it will definitely be at MAC next year.